morning student, welcome all of you. Today we are going to start chapter 1 differentiation from paper 1 mathematics paper 1 chapter 1 differentiation. In 11th standard we have seen differentiation, definition of derivatives, rules of derivatives, some standard formulae of derivatives, and 12th derivative is the next part of 11th standard derivatives. Today we first take introduction, what we have seen into 11th standard derivatives. Student, do you know the meaning of derivatives? When function is differentiable or derivable, what is derivative? What is meaning of differentiation? What is first principle of derivatives? What is increment in x, increment in y, increment in x, increment in y, and increment ratio? Also, do you know the Leibniz notation and few formulae which we have taken into 11th standard? Now we start with the definition. This is very necessary for our this chapter. What is derivative? We can say that derivative of function. Derivative of function. In derivative of function, let y equal to f of x be the function. Y equal to f of x be any function, and we take and a plus h function, and a plus h be the domain of function f or f of x. Domain of f of x is, we take a and a plus h, where h greater than 0, very small, and where h greater than 0, very small, and if f of a plus h minus f of a, this is value of codomain, and domain we know that a plus h minus a plus h minus a minus a get cancelled, just h, and limit of h tends to 0 if limit of this ratio exits, then we say that f of x is differentiable at x equal to a. We say that f of x is differentiable at x equal to a. काय आहे डेफिनेशन? डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ही अतिशय महत्त्वाची डेफिनेशन आहे. जर आपण y इक्वल टू f ऑफ x हे कुठलंही फंक्शन घेतलं आणि त्या फंक्शन मध्ये a and a plus h हे डोमेन मध्ये घेतले, दॅट इज a and a plus h हे आपण डोमेन सेट मध्ये घेतले. हे आपण 11वीला फंक्शन या टॉपिक मध्ये पाहिलेले आहे आणि यावरती आपण एक फंक्शन अप्लाय केलं f of x. तर a ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल तुम्हाला f of a and f of a plus h ची व्हॅल्यू. ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ही y1 आणि y2 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे. ही जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ती x1 and x2 डोमेन मध्ये व्हॅल्यू आपण x च्या व्हॅल्यू पुट करतो, कोडोमेन मध्ये y च्या व्हॅल्यू पुट करतो आणि यांचे आपण डिफरन्स घेतो f of a plus h minus f of a. increment in h, here increment in y and increment of x is a plus h minus a. We get cancel a, just f of a plus h minus f of a divide h. This is ratio y2 minus y1 divide x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 divide x2 minus x1. This is ratio and this is ratio. Limit of that ratio is called derivative. I repeat again, limit of that ratio is called derivative, and derivative that is differentiable at x equal to a. We say that it is differentiable at x equal to a. We denote it as f dash of a, that is f dash of a equal to limit of f of a plus h minus f of a divide h as h tends to 0. This is mathematical form of derivative. Mathematical form of derivative. And geometrically we can say that we take the ratio of these two and we take the limit, that is f dash of a. In general, we can write, instead of a we can take any value of x. We have taken the value of x equal to a. Instead of a we can take any value of x. So we write formula for, in general, f dash of x equal to limit of, put value of a by x, f of x plus h minus f of x divide h as h tends to 0. This is the definition of derivative at x equal to a and x for any point where x belongs to open interval ab. Here we can say that x belongs to open interval ab. This is, याचा अर्थ काय आहे की x हा ओपन इंटरवल मध्ये घेतलेला आहे. या प्रत्येक पॉइंटला समजा आपण a to b यामध्ये कुठेही x ची व्हॅल्यू आपण घेतली तर या प्रत्येक ठिकाणी आपल्याला फंक्शन हे डिफरन्शिएबल मिळणार आहे. फंक्शनची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला केव्हा मिळणार आहे, जेव्हा हा रेशो आहे या रेशोचं जर लिमिट एक्सीड झालं तरच ते फंक्शन डिफरन्शिएबल आहे. when limit of that ratio exceed then derivative exit. जर लिमिट एक्झिट झालं नाही तर त्याची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह एक्झिट होणार नाही. when limit of this ratio does not exist then we say that function is not differentiable. We say that function is not differentiable. This is a definition. derivative or what is meaning of derivative, what is meaning of differentiable or derivable, and what is meaning of differentiation. There are three words: derivative, derivable and differentiation. The value of f dash of x is called derivative. If limit of function exceed, then we say that function f of x is differentiable. Then we say that function is differentiable. Or there is another word, derivable. जर ह्या फंक्शनचं लिमिट एक्झिट झालं तरच म्हणायचं की फंक्शन हे डिफरन्शिएबल आहे, म्हणजे त्याची आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेऊ शकतो. जर तसं झालं नाही तर फंक्शन इज नॉट डिफरन्शिएबल और नॉट डेरिवेबल. The value of f dash of x is called derivative. Or value of limit f dash x or value of limit of ratio is called derivative. And fourth one, the process काय केलेली आपण की सुरुवातीला f of x plus x घेतला, त्यामध्ये आपण f of x सबट्रॅक्ट केला. आपण इथे y2 minus y1 divided x2 minus x1 असा रेशो घेतलेला आहे. y2 value of y2 equal to f of x plus h, value of y1 f of x, increment in y, divide increment in x, ratio of this term and the limit of that ratio. रेशो सुरुवातीला घ्यायचा आणि त्या रेशोचं लिमिट घ्यायचं. या पद्धतीने आपण जी डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करतो त्याला म्हणायचं डिफरन्शिएशन. The process of finding limit or derivative by above method is called differentiation. I explain the meaning of three words: differentiation, derivative and differentiable or derivable. All these concepts we require in next few proofs. The process of finding derivative is called method, is called differentiation, or this have the another name, the principle by or the derivative by first principle. This is also called as the derivative by first principle. We have solved too many examples in 11th standard by using first principle. And after all that, definition of derivative, meaning of derivative, differentiation, first principle, we write note x plus h equal to h. This is increment in x. f of x plus h minus f of x equal to, this is increment in y. f of x plus h minus f of x divide h. This divide this. It is incrementary ratio, and we can say that limit of incrementary ratio is called derivative. The limit of incrementary ratio when x is independent variable as x tends to 0 is called derivative. Or differentiation. This is all about the basic of definition derivatives. We have to write in another way, same method, but in different way. We have to, instead of h, we take delta x as a increment, and we convert into such type of the formula f dash of x. Take screenshot of this. Next is the Leibniz notation. Let y equal to f of x be any function. Let delta x, in last definition we have taken h. Now we have to take, instead of h, we replace delta x. Let delta x be the small increment in x. Then x is the independent variable and y is dependent variable, depend on x. So then delta y is the corresponding increment in y. डेल्टा x ही जर x मध्ये इन्क्रीमेंट होत असेल तर y हा x वरती डिपेंड आहे, त्यामुळे डेल्टा y ही y वरती इन्क्रीमेंट होणार. जर x मध्ये चेंज झाला तर y मध्ये चेंज होणार. x मध्ये चेंज जो होतो तो डेल्टा x आहे, त्याच पद्धतीने y मध्ये जो चेंज होणार आहे तो डेल्टा y. आता आपण जो चेंज होणार आहे, अगोदरच्या थेरी मध्ये चेंज होणारा जो आहे तो f of x plus h minus f of x हा चेंज होता. आता इथे चेंज काय आहे, डेल्टा y हा चेंज आहे आणि त्या चेंजला डेल्टा वाय जो चेंज होता, वायचा चेंज डिवाइड एक्स चा चेंज, तीच मेथड आपण इथे यूज करणार आहोत. अँड लिमिट ऑफ डेल्टा वाय डिवाइड डेल्टा एक्स, हा डेल्टा वाय डिवाइड डेल्टा एक्स हा रेशो आहे आणि डेल्टा एक्स टेंड टू 0. आणि जर हे लिमिट एक्झिट झालं, म्हणजे या रेशोचं लिमिट जर एक्झिट झालं, त्या ठिकाणी h डिवाइडला होता, h टेंड्स टू 0, या ठिकाणी डेल्टा x आहे म्हणून आपण डेल्टा x टेंड्स टू 0. हे जर लिमिट एक्झिट झालं तर काय म्हणायचं, then function y equal to f of x is differentiable. And limit exit, then we say that function y equal to f of x is differentiable at differentiable. It is denoted by derivative of y with respect to x. This is derivative of y with respect to x. This is not ratio. This is ratio. लक्षात ठेवा, डेल्टा y डिवाइड डेल्टा x हा एक रेशो आहे आणि त्या रेशोचं जे लिमिट येते त्याला आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हटलेलं आहे. आणि ह्या डेरिव्हेटिव्हला आपण हे नोटेशन दिलेलं आहे, याला आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ y विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x म्हणणार आहोत. हा रेशो नाही, हा dy by dx नाही. dy by dx म्हणजेच रेशो, denoted by dy by dx, that is dy by dx equal to limit of delta y divide delta x as delta x tends to 0. I repeat again, delta y divide delta x is the ratio, but derivative of y with respect to x is not a ratio, it is the notation. It is the notation of derivative. Derivative of y with respect to x read as derivative of y with w for with respect r to x. Derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x is not a ratio. That is, it is not dy by dx. It is not dy by dx. हे नोटेशन असू द्या, अगोदरचं f dash of x असू द्या, ही सर्व नोटेशन आपल्याला एकाच फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिता येतात. That is, derivative of y with respect to x we read as derivative of y with respect to x. We do not read as dy by dx. We can write derivative of y with respect to x also this way. We have made y separate. Put value of y equal to f of x. Derivative of f of x. And we know that derivative of f of x is f dash of x. And formula of derivative of y with respect to x is limit of delta y divided delta x as delta x tends to 0, or there is another mean also, limit of f of x plus h minus f of x divided h as h tends to 0, or we can also in higher level y dash or y1, all have the same meaning, all have the different notation but have the same meaning. Derivative all have the same meaning. Derivative of y with respect to x. This is about Leibniz notation. This type of the formula we have to use into next 12 first theorem, that is derivative of function, or another there is name derivative of composite function or derivative of chain rule. This is about Leibniz notation. We have also studied the different formulas of derivatives. We have find out the values of that standard function by using first principle. This year we have to use all that formulae as directly. This year we don't have to use first principle. What are those standard derivatives formulae? Take, write in your notebook this. Now we take derivative of standard function, that was we have seen into 11th standard, or we have obtained by using first principle of derivatives into 11th standard. Function y equal to f of x, derivative of y with respect to x, that is f dash of x. Algebraic function, trigonometric function, derivative of exponential function and derivative of logarithmic function. Derivative of constant, if k is constant, then if k is any number, then derivative of constant is always 0. If x raised to n function is y equal to x raised to n, then derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. We take n to multiplication x and we subtract from its index. All algebraic formulae we solve by this formula, x raised to n. X, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. That is, derivative of x with respect to x equal to 1. Derivative of 1 upon x, it is minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of root x, it is 1 upon 2 root x. 1 upon 2 root x. And 1 upon root x, it is minus 1 upon 2 x root x. हे जे अल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन आहे, अल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन मध्ये ज्यामध्ये व्हेरिएबल x आहे, या प्रत्येक फंक्शनची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपण x रेज टू n या एकाच फॉर्म्युल्याने फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. आपल्याला हा फक्त एक फॉर्म्युला आला पाहिजे, पण प्रत्येक वेळेस आपण हे असं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढत नाही बसणार, त्यासाठी आपला वेळ जाईल. म्हणून आपल्याला ही जी काही फंक्शन आहेत या फंक्शनचे आपल्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ह्या माहित असल्याच पाहिजे. हे आपण समजा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x असेल किंवा 1/x असेल, ही डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 1/x अपन y इक्वल टू 1/x ही आपल्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 1/x फाइंड आउट करायचे. तर आपण y च्या ऐवजी 1/x पुट करणार. पण आपल्याला एकच फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा x रेज टू n. हा x आपण न्यूमरेटर मध्ये घेणार. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x रेज टू -1 इंडेक्स मायनस. आता आपल्याला हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा आहे. हा नंबर आपण पुढे मल्टिप्लिकेशनला घेणार आणि यातून एक कमी करणार. हा आहे ती पॉवर पुढे घ्यायची -1 आणि त्यातून एक कमी करायचा. that is we have to subtract -1. it will be minus x minus minus -2 आणि इंडेक्स निगेटिव्ह असल्यामुळे आपण -1/x². डिनॉमिनेटरला घेतलं तर ही इंडेक्स पॉझिटिव्ह होईल. पहा 1/x ची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह -1/x² या फॉर्म्युल्याने आलेली आहे. ह्या प्रत्येक फंक्शनची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आपल्याला या फॉर्म्युल्याने भेटेल. पण आपल्याला या सर्व स्टेप प्रत्येक वेळेस फॉलो कराव्या लागतील. ते कमी करण्यासाठी आपण हे फॉर्म्युले लक्षात ठेवणार आहोत. समजा आपण विसरलो तर या फॉर्म्युल्याने आपण फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. पण आपली जेवढी प्रॅक्टिस होईल तेवढे आपल्याला हे फॉर्म्युले लक्षात राहणार आहे. अल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन साठी फक्त हा एकच फॉर्म्युला लक्षात ठेवा आणि नंतरचे हे फॉर्म्युले प्रॅक्टिसने लक्षात ठेवा. समजा विसरलेच तर तुम्ही हा फॉर्म्युला वापरून या पद्धतीने डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड आउट करू शकता. ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, we know that trigonometric function are sin of x, cosine of x, tangent of x, cotangent of x, that is cot of x, sec of x and cosec of x. These are the 6 trigonometric functions. Derivative of sin x, cos of x. Derivative of cos of x minus sin of x. Tan of x, sec square x. Cot of x minus cosec square x. Sec of x into tan of x and cosec of x minus cosec of x into cot of x. These are the 6 derivatives of trigonometric function. Then derivatives of exponential function. A raised to x and b raised to x are two exponential functions. In case of a raised to x, a is greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. We have seen into logarithmic. A raised to x, y a greater than 0, a not equal to 1. We have seen into 11th standard logarithmic function. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a. And derivatives of e raised to x is e raised to x. We can apply the same formula for this log of e, but value of log of e equal to 1, that is equal to e raised to x. So we can write derivative of e raised to x is only e raised to x, and logarithmic function derivative of log of x. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x, and derivative of log of x to the base a, 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the base a. 1 upon x to the base a is 1 upon x to the b we write log of h to the base a equal to log of h divided log a. Log a is a constant, then derivative of log of x 1 upon x. Log of a and derivative of log of x 1 upon x, we write it as x into log of a. Derivative of log of x to the base a is 1 upon x into log of a. Exercise 1.1 कंपोजिट फंक्शन आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे, तर त्यामध्ये आपल्याला हे 16 फॉर्म्युले तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिस असलीच पाहिजे, तरच तुम्हाला एक्सरसाइज 1.1 कंपोजिट फंक्शन सोडवता येणार आहे. हे सर्व फॉर्म्युले अतिशय गरजेचे, तुम्हाला हे आलेच पाहिजे. याची चांगली प्रॅक्टिस केली, जेवढे तुम्ही एक्झाम्पल सोडवाल तेवढी तुमची काय होणार आहे, प्रॅक्टिस होणार आहे. हे आपल्याला 16 फॉर्म्युले in exercise 1.1 composite function we have to use there. And in 11th standard we have also seen that rules of derivatives. Take screenshot of this. Rules of derivatives. Rules of derivative or differentiation. That is, first is addition. If y equal to u plus v, that is y is a function of two function, addition of two function. Y is a function of addition of two function, then derivative of this function is, then derivative of y with respect to x is derivative of u with respect to x plus derivative of v with respect to x. If y is the addition of two functions, then we get derivative of y with respect to x is the derivatives of addition of two derivatives. Addition of two derivatives. Similar, if y is a function of difference between two functions or subtraction of two functions, is derivatives is subtraction or difference of derivatives, two derivatives. Addition असेल तर इथे आपण addition यूज करणार, subtraction असेल तर इथे आपण subtraction यूज करणार. If y equal to u into v, if there is a multiplication of two functions, y is expressed multiplication of two functions, then we write derivative of y with respect to x equal to first function u, then derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function. पहिल्या फंक्शन दुसऱ्या फंक्शनची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह प्लस दुसरा फंक्शन पहिल्या फंक्शनची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. अँड थर्ड, इफ y equal to u divide v, there is a quotient of two functions, then we take by quotient law derivative of y with respect to x equal to v derivative of u with